Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming. He knows when you've been good. I just want to use my new rotating thing. He knows when you've been bad. He knows you better watch out. You better not. Why is that phone with me? Oh, it's not even. Is it on?
This time it's on.
This is a do-over. Because I was doing it and it wasn't working. Okay, here we go.
Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming
to town. Come on, let's move over here. Bum, 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 bum. He knows when you've been
good.
He
Knows when you've been bad.
He
knows when
you've been good enough. We did it.
Yay!
Give me five, Heaven.
Last time.
Alright guys, I'm using the camera that I got, the one where the screen rotates. See, here it is. Oh boy, this is good. It is your girl, Twala Cole, aka Sister Cole. And how's my family doing? I hope that you guys had a beautiful day today. Well, over here, you know what I like. I like to do hauls. I like to do lookbooks. I cook, I clean. I give you a good word of encouragement. Product reviews. Over here, honey, I just life. So if that is something that you would like to do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. All right, let's get into this. In this video, I'm gonna share my Christmas wish list, right? Or if I was able to have all the money in the world that I wanted, what type of gifts would I get for myself? Okay, so that's this type of video. All right, so I'm going to share with you guys, what I would pick. Okay, so let's get into gift number. All right, so gift number 1, and the picture should be inserted somewhere here, okay, or there. All right, so it would be, I absolutely would get the Fendi Sunshine medium bag. First of all, Fendi is my favorite luxury store to when in regards to bags. I do not own any super luxury bags yet, but this year is going to definitely be my year. Okay, I'm speaking that. Okay, but the Fendi Sunshine medium bag, love that for me. First of all, I love the size of the medium bag, and I would definitely get the camel color because that color goes with everything. And I love the handles, the top handles on this bag. Absolutely gorgeous. And I love how the word Fendi is going across the bag because I think it's an extra added detail. And it's just cute. It has actually the Fendi Roma. And I think it's just like an added, it is an added detail, right? I don't mind. It depends on what brand it is. If it has its name written on it. Some people said that's loud luxury or whatever. I don't care if it's loud, if it's quiet, if it's barely making a noise. I don't care. If I like the bag, I like the bag. So that means it could be loud, it could be quiet, it could be making no noise. If I like it, I will get it. So that whole discussion on, the Fendi soft luxury, loud luxury, whatever. I feel to each their own, get what you want. That's how I feel, period. So yes, that bag right there is just absolutely gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's my type of bag. It goes with everything. And it can it will be able to hold what I need it to be hold, most importantly, the phone. So yes, that definitely, if I had a blank check or if I had the money where I didn't have to worry about bills or whatever the case may be, you better believe it. I'm marching myself right into Fendi and I'm getting that bag. All right, so that's the first gift that I would get myself. Like, this is not in any particular order. However, first meaning this is the first one that I discussed. So that bag for sure. Okay, so I'm walking into Fendi. I have a blank check, or I have money that I don't have to worry about it. The other bag, the Fendi Sunshine. The bag is gorgeous, gorgeous. First of all, I would get the brown, that deep brown color. I definitely would get that. Again, I feel like brown goes with everything, but I just love the richness of that brown. And it just speaks, the color alone speaks, the color alone is screaming luxury. Just the color alone, in my opinion. The chain, come on, you can't go wrong with the chain bag. I mean, it's priceless. It's priceless. It's timeless. It's just gorgeous. It really makes the bag stand out. So I love that chain. It's the gold chain and the gold hardware, even though silver is my favorite color. However, I would not mind, honey. I would not mind that gold hardware. Absolutely not. It's so beautiful. This bag also, in my opinion, will go with many different outfits, and that's what I want. Even though I would want a luxury bag, I want it to be practical. I want it to be something that I can carry whenever I want to carry it. Because home, listen to me and listen to me very good. You see me? When I purchase something, I'm getting the use out of it. I don't care. I'm going to carry it, wear it, but I will take very good care of it. You know what I'm saying? But I'm wearing it because I did not get it. You understand? Spend all that money, just have it sitting on the shelf. Absolutely not. That's a negative note. Yes, I purchased the bag because I want to be able to carry the bag. I want to wear the bag. Okay? All right. Item number 3. If I could pick any fragrance that I wanted and don't worry about it, it would be this perfume called Skin, Skinn. I would definitely get it. And the reason why I would get it, first of all, this perfume is luxury. I definitely can. It's 1,000 and change, I believe, for this perfume, if I looked at the price correctly. But that's not only, I wouldn't buy it just because of the price. I just would love to have something high luxury perfume that I want to know, see what the difference is. And with a price tag like that, it must be something that stays on forever. I mean, I'm thinking like I have to wash off the scent. At this point, that's what I'm thinking. If this perfume costs as much as if I remembered looking at it correctly. But when I read the information on this perfume, it said that it was bold and sexy. It said that when you walk into the room, you immediately will be able to know what it is. And that it was like amazing, just phenomenal, amazing. Everything that you want perfume to be, this Skin is supposed to be that. So if I had all the money, I would go in there. I would definitely purchase Skin because it sounds like me. You know, smells good and it's bold at the same time, lasting a very long time. You know, yes, high luxury. I would definitely buy something like Skin. I've never smelt it. This would be a blind buy for me. But if I could find it somewhere, I'm definitely going to smell it and see what it smells like. But this seems like this not in no regular store. All right. The next item, I believe the 4th that I would get, it would be Tom Ford Lost Cherry. Now that's something affordable. It's expensive as well, but it is affordable. But I've heard so much about the Tom Ford Lost Cherry. I've heard a lot about this perfume. Do any of you guys have it? Have you purchased it before? Let me know in the comments. But I heard that the scent is beautiful. I heard that the scent was bold, you know. So I am going to purchase this and see for myself what the big fuss is about. For sure, because I absolutely love good perfumes, good smelling perfumes. All right. Now, the next item, if I had all the money in the world, The next item I would want you guys is the Caraway ceramic non-stick cookware and bakeware set. I love a good cookware set. Honestly, I really do. Now I have some pots that I love that I will never get rid of. That's all my Dutch pots. I will not get rid of them. They can look whichever way they look. I'm not getting rid of them because they are tried and true. But I would love a nice Caraway. I heard Caraway was like a very good brand. Some people say it's one of the best. But I would love a ceramic non-stick cookware set. So if I couldn't get the Caraway, then I would try to get something like it, you know? But for the aesthetics, because I do need a good pot set that is aesthetically pleasing. Because my pot sets are well used. Well, my Dutch pots, they're well used. But I do want an aesthetically pleasing, good pot set for when I'm hosting or when I'm showing you guys different stuff. It could be in a pot that is aesthetically pleasing. The only thing I'm gonna do is cook it in my Dutch pot and then pour it out and put it in that and show y'all. No, I would try cooking in these as well, just to see what it's like. If they're really, truly a very good pot set, like everybody says. But has anybody out there tried the Caraway? Or do you guys have a nice ceramic non-stick cookware set that you use? Let me know. Let me know in the comments because I'm definitely looking for something really nice. All right? So we're counting down. My next thing, you guys know what I need badly? I need a nice knife set. I am so tired of buying knife sets and they're garbage. Every knife set that I have bought did not last long. I'm so annoyed. I hate that for me. I really hate that for me. So they were saying here that this Wusthof knife sets, they're like $495. But they said that these are some excellent sharp knives that last for a very long time. So yes, if I had a blank check or money, I would definitely get those to see what I'm working with. Because when your utensils are right, it makes cooking so much better. But when you got to sit there with a knife and put all your strength into and try to cut something, you know, that's just so annoying. So I'm telling you guys, I need me a really nice set of knives. Do you guys have a set of nice knives? If you do, what do you use? What brand? Where did you get it? I need to know when, where, what, and how. Because I'm looking to buy me some nice knives set. All right. Now the last item I'm going to talk about, last but not least, it's another bag. I would love the Baguette Mini. The Fendi Baguette Mini right here. Or right here. I would absolutely love that. This bag is so cute. I like it. I love it. It's so cute. This bag absolutely would go with everything. You could, if you're dressed up, you can carry it. If you're dressed down, you can carry it. It's so compact. Love the top handles for me. And you can also wear it as a crossbody. But I just absolutely love this bag because it's versatile. It's versatile. It's so cute. It's screaming twala. Twala. That's what it's screaming. So yes. So you guys, those are my picks. If I had the money, money, these are the gifts, these are the gifts that I would get immediately. And for luxury bags, I'm going in the store because I want the whole thing that comes with buying a luxury bag. So I've been told. When you buying top luxury, I want to go in there, give me my glass of champagne or wine. You understand? Come and treat me. Treat me like I have money. I want the whole experience. If you're about to drop 2 bands, 3 bands, yes, you need the experience to go with it. So yes, baby. If I'm buying the luxury bags, I'm going in the store hands down. Hands down. All right, you guys, that's the end of my video. If you like the video, and you are not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe, sis. Go ahead and subscribe. I welcome you to the family. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. And I would appreciate your being a subscriber, part of the fam. All right? You guys, you know what I like. I like when you comment below. Comment. Let's have a conversation. What is it that you like, you didn't like? What would you buy if you had the blank check? If you had the money, if you had the coins, what would you buy? All right? So I've come to the end. Don't forget that you are blessed and highly favored. Mwah, 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 mwah.